Pastor, wait. Listen. The Holy Spirit don't minister to me. I know where to carry you come.
What's it carry me come?
You
You want
stupid.
them to say they rape your wife? Yes.
Rape my wife.
Yes, I want them to say
I
that.
beg, come on, your honor.
What are you? Listen to me. Don't doubt me. Allow Holy Spirit to use me. Holy Spirit, they talk to me. Yes. Okay. You want them to say, listen. You want them to say, thief, come up. Wait. Allow Holy Spirit use me. Allow Holy Spirit to use me. Allow Holy Spirit to use me. You want them to say, thief, come.
If you talk wetin you no see.
Yes.
Pastor be this one.
Yes. Holy Spirit. Okay, wait till carry you come.
I'm not telling you say my wife.
Your wife, now they talk. You want tell me, oh my God, God is great. You want tell me, no, my prayer, God, thank you.
Not too much.
Oh, yes, I know. They will catch them.
How you take because
I don't understand.
I dey tell you wetin bring me come here, you dey talk your own different. Abi na so una dey do dey deceive people say una dey see different. And you think say all this thing wey you dey talk, you go match to wetin I wan tell you. You no go match.
Okay, talk.
I wan tell you say my wife don born.
Na there they go.
You be grace, you be mumu. I wan forget. I dey talk to you.
What are you wrong?
No.
God, children, you know God. God is ministering to me.
No.